ni magkuhan na, hindi na po you bear with this face for 1 hour. Can you hear me loud and clear? Okay, importante gina. Conscious ko na yan sa priest, conscious gina ko sa sound system. May isa kapare nga ng misa, kag magtunog ang mikropono, nagsinggit siya. May diferensya ang mikropono, nagsabat ang mga tao, kagyara man sa ino. Tanan kay Chindi Longgo. Tanan kay Chindi, okay lang. Ay kung hindi Tagalog, kita yung ginapamangkot, hindi kayo ay kung ginang-inapresyong kayo learn so many Bible lessons nga may talk ako na isang sa isang resort, tinagambal ko 30 minutes in Longgo. Kabi ko yan ay tanan tagay Hilo, father may taga-Mindanao ko dito, taga-Maynila, tapos nagsulit-sulit, din ko eh. Tipid sa ron mo, I stayed in Manila for Quezon City for 8 years. Tipid sa ron mo, karaya, ikaw kag mamisa, ikaw sang Tagalog, ko daw malaman isang balmas ko daw. Pagtapos ang isa silin ko, nagugulumihanan ako. Pagkadalo, hindi maglanding sa aeroplano. Pagkabot yung kinuna sa Manila, ipraktisan ko na akong Tagalog. Pinamangkot ko ang ko, silin ko, may susugat ba sa atin? Ayos man, no? Yan muna yung Tagalog, man. Kating muha, pakita ko, silin, di ba yung sugat man sa mo? Pero katugay, hindi nakigan ko, silin ko, kanina pangintay-intay ko sa iyo, tumating ka man, pero buhay ba? Maayo kayo may lunggo kita, no? The first question I always ask in this talk who is Jesus Christ. Very crucial question. Anong sa Ilonggo ang Christmas? Pasko. Ang ginagawa no? Pasko. And it's gusto. Pero hindi siya insakto. Kaya may namigid ng Ilonggo word sa Christmas. Ano yun na? Pagkatao. Why? Because God became man. There are 3 phases in the life of Jesus nga I hope na ma-remember ninyo. The incarnation, the passion, and the resurrection. Okay? Incarnation, passion, and resurrection. Malam nyo may mga insurance companies ba lang na nagpamangkot kaya nagpa-indis-hindi sila sa ila coverage sa insurance. Siling sang isa, anong imo nga coverage? Siling sang isa, from the basket to the casket. From the basket to the casket. Pasiling birthday sang isa, siling niya akon from the womb to the tomb. Bro, why did sila singdaog? From conception to the resurrection. No? So when you talk about the incarnation, the passion, and the resurrection, when we talk of the incarnation, it's about God becoming man. And the Word became flesh. Amo na nga kanami, isang Ilonggo, isang Christmas na pagkatao. Kaya nga anak sang Diyos na himo na tao. So you can just imagine how God loves us. That is why I would label incarnation as the risk of the incarnation. Why? Because God took His risk on us. Nga i-allow niyang iya nga anak para mangin kaupod natin. Pamagpunta ka mo, tagata ka mo 1 billion, pero mangin ido ka mo masugot ka mo daw yung tigil. Kalayo sa diferensya sa tao kag isang sapat. Kung ang sapat makasabat man, gusto mo mangin tanong, hindi siya. Because there is the hierarchy of species. We don't want to be the model manager, ikaw tapos mabagal, ikaw daw hindi man pwede. General, ikaw kag pa-corporal, ikaw no. Because the emotion is never in the eyes of humanity. We always want to rise. Pamangkot, obvious nga kalayo sa diferensya sa Diyos at sa tao. Ang God, immortal, ang tao, mortal. Ang tao mutable, God is immutable. Kalayo sa diferensya sa Diyos at sa tao. Di kung ikaw ang tao, hindi mo gusto mong insapat na ang Diyos na for God so loved the world. This is what love can do. That is why when you talk of the incarnation, we talk about the humility of God. Amo na ang bali ni Philip Brooks na sila niya, Jesus Christ is the condescension of divinity. Imagine lang, napakalungkong sa iyo mo. Hindi ka mo gusto mag-insapa, pero siya yan ang Diyos, nangyayari. Why? Jesus Christ is the condescension of divinity and the exaltation of humanity. Manabali St. Augustine, God became man, that man may become closer to God. This is how God loves us. That is why when we tell somebody, Kung we love you, don't say, I have risen in love with you. What do you say? I have fallen in love with you. Because when you love, you humble yourself. That is why an important disposition in this spiritual journey is your humility. Why? Because the humble can never, the proud can never find the Lord. It is only the humble who will be able to see Jesus. That is why sa Bethlehem, mayara tira nga, kung magsulod ka sa the Church of the Nativity, mayara nasip nga pertahan sa kilid. And they call that humility door. Kaya nga, di kabataan niya, pagwa sulod mo, but adults could never pass kung proud sila. Kaya nga, kinanglan matuko ka din. Kaya kung di ka magtuko, mapungguulo mo. Herod was never able to see Jesus. Why? Because he was so powerful. He was so proud. Jesus revealed himself to the humble, to the shepherds, to the wise men who knew that they do not know everything. That is why the important disposition is that to acknowledge that we all are in need of God. That is why kanamig din sa orientation ninyo na tanan-tanan hindi man itanan kita experts sa mga scriptures, but to open yourself to the stories of others. Because life is about storytelling. Muna mo ma-hold na sila, Father, paano mo ma-hold ang tao? I was able to give a talk for 2 hours sa PICC and my audience was 3,000 people. I thought that was so many. Hindi pagkigali. I gave a talk sa PAMED, sa Resource World, and there were 4,000 people. And I talked for 2 hours straight. But I was able to hold it. Why? Because it's about storytelling. Because everyone has a story to tell. Kalto mo na, anong balsang sa darata, listen to others. Even the dull and ignorant, they too have their stories. Because in this journey, the proud can never experience God. That is why I have been in the hospital for 14 long years. Walo ako katuig sa Philippine Children's Medical Center, ano ako katuig sa Don Benito. And what did I learn? There's nothing to be proud of. When you see dying people every day, when you see children who have never seen the light, may cry. May sapo kaparisyoner naman po. Sige, Father, anong adlaw? Last Wednesday man. Friday. At least lang mo i-list kayo raman. May sa kaubog naman po. So, Father, anong naginabal mo, Father? Mapalit ka sa kapusa at sa tao man. Remember, man, from dust you came and from dust you will return. Ang Father sa ilong guya, dumataw sa ibo kung magalit siya po. Kalagoy pa siya ng Father. Di ko ka lang mo kay amo na. Father, so katalong na. Di ano ang balon ko? So papilaan lang tao kay kung amo na ang balon mo, dali na dugay. Dumataw siya po kung magalit siya. Dumataw siya po. Ano ang balon ko? Papilaan lang na tao kang bali na nga. Papatay ka man yapon. Ay, sakto lang ha. You can never be proud of it. I was giving a talk sa faculty and staff sa West Visayas College of Medicine. Tignan mo sila doktor, to sobra sila kinsi ka doktor. We had the first team building sa kay Doc Granada. So I told them, do you know, Doc, when we are at the hospital and we are still so proud and so arrogant, we miss the point of our ministry. When you see dying people, kita mo pasyente mo stubang mo, ay kagili mo kapamangkot, nga asyaya patay na ako yung bukit pa. Tanawa ko lang, ang logic, patay ka ni mga ranong immortal. Di pala ka bilyonaryo nung batay last year, may NBC, may George T, may Kokongwei, may Bongtan, 53 years old, 41 years old, si Ruby Bryant. Hindi makikita siya yung mga papukala. Ang muna nga sa Dao, nga sementeryo do, sa Antigito, ay may nasulatan na ako sa kami karoon kamugasol. That is why, this should be the disposition that we should have. You know, malapit mo lang sa email ko, Carles. Sa ginabalan ko sa ni Father Joe Marie, yan, ang balsa bispo ko, nakatuyan ito, Carles. Buhay, nag-check malayo-layo sa tirana. Now, you know when you see simple people who knew the sea, no, it's so humbling for them. Muna may isa ka, doktor ba lang, kato siya to sa isa ka island, to iupod niya ang boatman. Kaya hambala niya boatman, sila niya, do you know sciences? Hindi ko na ayaw ko ba ito ay, sila niya you lose 1/3 of your life.